Greetings fellow Decepticons, Sandblaster 1987 here with another Transformers Rescue Bots review. Today, from the Rescan assortment, I have Boulder, the engineer of the Rescue Bots team. As you can see here instead, vehicle mode is a excavator of some description with very exaggerated proportions, and there are 5mm ports that are currently available for those who want to use any of the Energon-powered rescue tools from the Power Up and Energize toy line of the Rescue Bot series, or indeed any other weapons from the Transformers line to arm up this vehicle. Boulder's overall design is partially inspired by the G1 Constructicon Bone Crusher and partially inspired by the Armada Autobot Scavenger, because of the tread legs and the tread arms and the scoop legs. For size comparison in vehicle mode, here he is next to Rescan Series Chase from the same line, so you can see they're about the same size, approximately, give or take the scoop on Boulder. And for a comparison with a more modern generations figure, here he is next to Age of the Prime Solus Prime. So you can see he's about the size of a normal deluxe vehicle in vehicle mode. So to transform Boulder, all you have to do is stand him up like so and pull the treads out to become the arms, and the internal gearing mechanism raises the head and extends and splits the legs at the same time. There's zero articulation to this guy because of the transformation engineering, sadly, but with this sort of exhaust pipe or smokestack in the back of his neck here, you do get another 5mm or so port for blast effects and more plug-in weapons for like a shoulder cannon thing going on and such like. And these screw holes near the wheels under the back of his feet do give you access to more sort of storage and such capacity parts. For size comparison, here is Boulder next to Rescue Bot's Rescan Chase. So now I've got 50% of the original Sigma 17 team. I'm still missing Heatwave and Blades, but at least I've got these two together. And here he is next to the Bulkhead Transformers 1 Megatronus Prime model kit from my last review. So, like I say, there's not really all that much that you can do with Boulder apart from just stand him on a shelf in this form or roll him around in his bulldozer mode. Being the engineer of the Rescue Bots team, Boulder was paired with Graham Burns of the Burns family. He can hold energon weapons and such like in his hand, but he can't point them forwards because of the gearing on his arms and such. So the only way these tools are going to be of any actual use is if they're mounted in his vehicle form. So, that more or less concludes my review of Rescue Bot's Rescan Series Boulder. This is basically a smaller version of the original toy that's more cartoon accurate in colour. So, with that said, thanks again for watching. My next review will be, the older Jack-specific Sonic the Hedgehog figure from the modern video games, the one that doesn't have elbow joints or opening hands, but is still more or less the same 4.5-inch scale and otherwise decently articulated. Till then, till all are one.